What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the just released Apple Watch Series 7, so stick around. Welcome back guys, and before we get into the unboxing I would just like to quickly mention that it was quite an experience ordering this product on Friday. And just a heads up, I haven't been able to decide whether I'm going to go with this color combination or a different one. This particular one is the Series 7 GPS 45mm Midnight Aluminum with a Midnight Sport band. Opening up the original box, we are presented with two smaller boxes which house both the Apple Watch itself as well as the band. First up, let's go ahead and take a look at the band. Again, this is the Midnight color, and we have both a medium to large as well as a small to medium. And this is the fluoroelastomer band, which does surprisingly last a long time and does feel pretty comfortable. Now here it is next to my black band. You can see it's a little bit darker and more of a shade of a blue. So now let's go ahead and unbox the Apple Watch itself. Lifting up the box for the very first time, we're presented with a little bit of paperwork that we don't need, as well as our proprietary charging cord. Next up we get the Apple Watch casing, which is housed in a really strong cardboard style material that says the millimeter size of your watch casing. My first impressions is that the midnight color looks really nice, and you can definitely tell that the screen is a little bit bigger coming in at that 45mm size. Located on the back are the sensors, as well as some information letting you know which series Apple Watch you have. On the right side is our digital crown, microphone, as well as our power button, and on the left side is our singular speaker. And next up, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the included Apple Watch band, which again is going to be in the midnight color. So let's go ahead and attach it to the Apple Watch itself, which is extremely easy, starting off with the top followed by the bottom. And you can see it does have a really nice color combination with the watch itself. And that midnight color definitely has a darker blue look to it than a black color. Now here it is next to the product red Apple Watch Series 6. And you can see not only the different shade in the midnight from the black color band, but you can also see the different size in the casings as well. I'm going to go ahead and test out this Series 7 Apple Watch and give you guys a full review coming up real soon. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and also do me a favor and hit the like button on this video. So let me know down in the comments section what you would like to see me cover in that review video. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.